Hey, today I'm going to be reviewing this $17 pink Bluetooth wireless speaker. It's a shower speaker. It's in the shop. I'm going to be comparing it to this $40 wired Amazon Echo Dot. They're pretty comparable in size, pretty much like the same height, and Dot's a little bit bigger. Definitely feels a lot more sturdier and everything, but it's not built to hang on the wall in the shower. This would definitely fall off, first of all. And also differences in these two devices from what I've found, they both have their advantages and disadvantages. I feel like this device is good in its own way. It feels kind of like a throwback to the current generation of voice activated Amazon device, where like everything's connected to your house and you can turn off like your lights or just about ask Alexa anything. But one disadvantage of this is I feel like it's always listening. It's pretty creepy. If you want Amazon to hear everything about your life, then buy this. It also sounds better, but it cost over twice the amount. For this device, after this review, everything works perfectly fine from what I can see. It has a couple skip buttons backwards and forwards. If you hold them, it also lowers and higher the volume. There's a play and pause button. I found that there's some weird interactions when I had both of these devices connected to my iPhone. I had the Echo playing, which you're going to see in a second. And whenever I press start, it pulled the music away from the Echo.
No, they connect at the same time.
So this button both accepts and declines the call, and the power button obviously turns the device off. When it's on, there's a blue light that comes on the front, and it just stays on whenever the device is on. It does say that there is a mic included in the speaker. I didn't test it out. There's like a little like hole right here, which I believe, which is where you talk into. So I mean, it's pretty convenient, but the audio is definitely worse than the Echo device.
It's your turn, it's your turn, it's your turn, it's your turn, baby. It's just your turn, it's your turn, it's your turn, baby. Nobody's truly yours. It's just your turn, baby. Nobody's truly yours. It's just your turn, baby. It's your turn, it's your turn, it's your turn, baby. It's just your turn, it's your turn, it's your turn, baby. Don't know how long for, but it's your turn. So do your best to make me happy and keep.
I think it's fine for the shower as a device, you know?
It's your turn, it's your turn, it's your turn, it's your turn, baby. It's just your turn, it's your turn, it's your turn, baby. Nobody's truly yours. It's just.
Other than that, I mean, you can hang it up in the shower. The few things that I've mentioned that you can do, you can skip through your songs, even on YouTube. It works perfectly fine with YouTube.
Hello? Okay. Oh, it hangs up too. Cool.
So this Bluetooth speaker actually works.
Miss me. And you What's good? My name is Tobechuku Dubemwigwe. I grew up melancholy because I ain't realized that the hemoglobin in my and I adore your skin. Now listen, this is monumental for me because I'm a Nigerian. I know a lot of y'all thought I was regular black. But if you know anything about Nigerian parents, they feel like their kids, if they haven't done one of three things. And I know it, you can't tell me nothing else. That's why every beat I'm on Will you touch me in the pouring rain? And the moment
Skip
that
song.
you wandered from me, I wanna feel arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze. Keep me warm in your love, in your soft lady. Show how deep is your love, is your love. Is your love.
For hands-free communication. I wonder if it only works. Hey, weird device, play a song. Hey, weird device.